BYD, the world's largest EV company, the EV company which beats Tesla, the company which brings innovation in battery technology. The world's largest EV company, famous for electric cars, BYD, made a proposal to make $1 billion investment in India, but Indian government trashed the proposal. What is the BYD company? Why Indian government denied the BYD proposal? Let's explore in this video. Namaste, I'm Krishnyathanya Mandela, your EV bro. BYD. This Chinese company started as a battery manufacturer for cell phones in 1995. After 28 years, the company becomes the world's largest EV company. This success does not come overnight. BYD started its journey as battery manufacturer for brick-sized cell phones in 1995 and captured half of the cell phone battery market. After 13 years, in 2003, BYD entered into car manufacturing. Initially, BYD failed with the 316 car, lost 100 crores of money. But in 2005, BYD launched the F3 car with lowest price and become successful. In 2008, BYD is the first company to make plug-in hybrid car, the F3DM, in December 2008. F3DM has two electric motors, one primary electric motor that drives the wheel and another secondary motor that powers the wheel via regenerative braking. And this car offers a maximum range of 480 kilometers in the hybrid mode. Later, in 2009, BYD made their first electric car, BYD E6. A notable point, one of the world's richest man, Warren Buffett, invested in BYD in 2008, not in Tesla. Acquired 10% stake in BYD shows the potential of the company. Almost 6 lakh cars sold in 2021. BYD owns 9.1% of the global electric car market, behind Tesla with 14.4%. In 2022 first quarter, BYD beat the number one electric vehicle maker in the world, Tesla. Tesla sold 5,64,000 cars in 2022 and BYD sold 6,41,000 cars. And most importantly, BYD is famous for electric buses. The company's first electric bus, K series, launched in September 2010 with a range of 250 kilometers. This electric bus can be seen in Europe, United States of America, China, and even in Indian roads as well. In battery technology, BYD brings many innovations. For example, the Blade batteries. The Blade batteries are safer. During the testing, the Blade battery emitted no smoke or fire after being penetrated. These batteries offers up to 600 kilometers of range. Not just that, BYD tie up with CATL and developed sodium-ion batteries. This is how BYD ruling the Chinese EV market, also the world EV market. Now the question, why Indian government said no to BYD $1 billion investment? Few weeks ago, BYD along with Hyderabad-based Mega Engineering and Infrastructures Limited made a proposal to Indian government to set up electric car manufacturing unit along with battery manufacturing unit with an estimated valuation of $1 billion. Now, Indian government blocks the deal. The main reason is Chinese homegrown technology is a concern according to top media reports. And the reports also suggest that security concerns over Chinese investments could be the reason behind India's blocking the deal. Is BYD deal an advantage for existing EV companies in India? Currently, India not making indigenous lithium-ion battery cells. They are relying on China. But recently, Log9 Materials started lithium-ion cell manufacturing in India, and also Ola Electric making lithium-ion cell manufacturing as a part of PLI scheme. Even Tata Motors creating wonders by selling 50,000 electric cars in India. If BYD enters in India offering a budget electric car, it will affect the homegrown electric car industry, and this is on the negative side. But on the positive side, BYD can offer cheaper electric cars to Indian market. Also, battery prices can be cheaper as the company producing lithium-ion batteries in larger scale. Finally, one thing, our country safety is more important. For safety, our government took any decision, we need to support that. That's the story about BYD and the investment proposal for the government. If you are an EV owner willing to share your ownership review with us, please WhatsApp your details to the number shown on the screen or else fill the form link in the description below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to EV Bro. Charge the nature, drive the future.